This is Mum's lounge. Kitchen, open plan. Other lounge. One room. Two room. Look at that. Going down towards that's the office, blah 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 room. Okay, down here to the wash house, and we look out to that. There's that way, and then come down here. Mum's room, ensuite. Oh, there's a nice view from Mum's room as well. Kind of. No. And then we go downstairs. Oh. To where we were staying, spare room. That's Mum's garage, look. It's an old mini moke. Cool, eh? And then into here, this was me and Lucky's room. And then there's a mirror there, but let's go. This is the other lounge downstairs. Another piano, Daisy's bed, fridge, and into the other bathroom. Oh, there's my nana. And that is my mum's house.